Pa, yaran ka man thiri eh.
Nak nam siu ban thiện thiết yêu.
Toh kat ba ong ma phit toh. Yan lin no ka ta.
MPE ngala supang sangkai te. Ani ngas thai ba balik pai sino.
Ya le no ka ta.
Ya ngili sa hotel no te.
Sa
Hapo
hotel?
ka hotel Poinisuk.
Comfort, charm, elegance and luxury. In a class of its own, Hotel Poinisuk warmly welcomes you to an unforgettable experience of heartwarming hospitality extended by our dedicated reception team. With a vision to optimize guest experiences, the hotel's staff stands ever ready to meet all your needs and deliver excellence through the services rendered. Efficient technology designed for your convenience is available to guide you for your beautifully furnished stay. For wonderful memories that will remain with you long after your visit, premium room bookings facilitate the hotel's passion in offering excellent services through modern amenities such as plush bedding on king and queen size beds, LCD cable TV services, housekeeping supplies and a personal minibar. Each room comes with an attached bathroom prepared with a custom set of cosmetics, hair blowers, shower cabins as well as bathtubs for your ideal preferences. The alarm facility has been provided with the motive of attending to any kind of emergencies that may occur, to which you can press anytime, any moment, and the hotel staffs will be at your service. Similar settings furnish the hotel's deluxe AC rooms, but with a unique twist of compassion added. Sleek, efficient designs are conveniently lined along the tiled walls of every bathroom to facilitate the comfort of our specially abled guests during their stay. No worries if you are visiting Shillong with any of your relatives who are differently abled or physically challenged. The deluxe non-AC rooms boast of similar facilities as well as complimentary Wi-Fi extended to every accommodation within the hotel. Room accommodations for the purpose of hosting events such as conferences, board meetings, birthday parties, weddings and other social gatherings are readily available within our banquet hall with a hosting capacity of up to 250 guests and free internet access. With the help of the hotel's dedicated team, assistance in customizing lunch, dinner and coffee break menus to various hospitality services is on hand to cater to every occasion. An amply spaced parking facility is also available within the hotel premises. For booking details and information, contact the numbers 91364 71 00030 and 0879472684 or log on to www.hotelpoinisuk.com. Our rooftop restaurant Dockwide not only offers multi-cuisine delicacies ranging from Indian to Italian and Asian, but also offers a panoramic view of the heart of Shillong with the hotel's ideal location set in Laitumkhrah Point. Delivering Oriental taste in their purest form, this setting is a montage of classic and contemporary taste under one ethnic roof. No worries for the rain as it has openable, collapsible roof. Klong, the lounge bar, reiterates comfort and style. A kindred spirit in ambience, it thrives on its Pep's atmosphere to allow the savoring of beverages amidst complete tranquility. With a wide-range selection of imported liquor, wine, exotic cocktails and mocktails, the lounge is aptly manned by master bartenders. Here you can expect a drink for every mood and every soul to match the pulsating vibes of energy. Well-trained bartenders who are always ready for action will be at your service. So be ready for some enjoyment and excitement and relinquish yourself. With a well-equipped kitchen that is always brimming with tantalizing fragrances, the hotel's experienced team of chefs and kitchen staff keep a constant check on guest satisfaction and rise to every challenge that presents itself as they strive to deliver passion on a plate that sets a perfect indulgence for the food enthusiast in you. Some of the special dishes prepared are salt vegetables, tandoori chicken, naan, karhai paneer, noodles, etc. In order to repeat, for booking details and information, contact the numbers 91-364-71-00030 and 08794-726824, or you can log on to www.hotelpoinisuk.com.
Ani ko pa. Nga tinggal ahun si Shapi. Bawan sa akan ka hotel. Ang ni staff mo. Ani wo. Kidayala Shapi banya paya ka ni hotel mo. Ni kajing yo thi asuk nga manin te pi ngokum ka yen jong. Ngas ngau ja tha si Sha. Dan bak pa pi ang wan sa ang ni manin.
Taufik mi. Lada pesusuk kata-kata te ngan wan ye lambiang piang ni kan. Wat ku slai. Man kapor ngan wan ye lambi piang ni. Mo.
Long hi.
Biang em.
Oi.
Dei kamta.
Dei ken. Biang.
To.
Kublai. Welcome to Hotel Poinisuk. I'm Mrs. Obi Teriang, the proprietor of the hotel. I welcome you to come and stay with us and enjoy the luxuries, comfort we provide. We have the best rooftop restaurant, the bar, with the best views to enjoy your delicious meals. Thank you.